Yo, what's going on, fellas? On this episode, it's a 10-minute video. I basically tell you how to stay consistent on marking your box up from 5 o'clock p.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. And then after that, you pretty much gonna catch the drift and the juice on how to profit every day. Every day. I mean, it's impossible not to profit every day once you know what you're looking for. Big up to Hungry Ant. He really catching on. He introduced the Chuck D to me. So Chuck D, he really, just check it out, Chuck. I mean, I know you're really a little bit experienced, but once you see this box up shit, you're gonna be like, holy cow. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a marker maker's video, but all you gotta do is stay patient. Okay, just stay patient. Check the box out. Like I say, like, subscribe, get notified, and yeah, check it out. This is the box up video. Check it out. This is how I'm going to explain the box, okay? Pay attention. Whenever you're making a high and a low, every day, the trading day starts about 5 p.m. So from 5 to 9, it's going to go up and down, up and down. This is your original box of the spread of the day, okay? Now, if you are a buyer, you will wait at the bottom. If you are a seller, you'll wait at the top. Now, once it make this spread right here, from 5 to 9, you can expect it to go up maybe 50 points. Maybe go 50 up and then come back down. And then on top of that, it might go another 50. Okay? Might go 50 points on top of that last high. Then it might shoot back down and go to where it started at from the spread, the high and low, the original spread of the day, and go back in there and consolidate. Might drop down an extra 25 points or 50 points below the low it just made, snatch it back, and then shoot up and take it a whole extra 100 points. So altogether, you looking at it, open up the spread at 50 points, 25 to the top, 25 to the bottom. So now you got 50, 50, plus 50, plus 25. So right now, it went up 250 points. And then it come down and it hit it one more time for 50. So it just went up 250 points on the day. And then you notice that it made another solid high. You're going to be looking at this every day. So whenever it comes in and make that extra high, you will wait to see it come retest that high. You will be ready to get in right there. Or your next strike zone will be 50 points or 100 points above that. Okay? Now let me show you what that looked like on the chart. I've been getting a lot of feedback from the boys up north in Michigan. So I decided to explain the box a little bit more. Now, on your phone or on your chart, you're going to put up the chart, the period separators. Right-hand click, go to properties, and you will click that line right there. Show period separators, okay? Now, every day, this is the high and low spread. So this box happened between 5 p.m. and right now it is 6:30. So this box was made from 5 p.m. to about 9 p.m. And then about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, it went on up, okay? So if you was trading a high and low of the day, you would have been simply selling right here or simply buying right there, okay? Now, the thing about it is you want to catch the higher low of the week, because once it goes one way of the week, that's pretty much the way they're going to move it. You're going to be right for at least 3 days, okay? Now, if you understood this pattern that I showed you, the high and low, and sometimes you can flip it over, and it works the same way, okay? You got the spread of the day, 5 to 9 o'clock p.m., 50 points up, come down, might come back up 50 extra 100 points, could come up 300 points. We don't know that. But if you're watching it every day and you're constantly consistent, you're going to catch the rip. See, this was yesterday box. I don't buy, I sell. I look for sales so I won't get confused, okay? So the beginning of the week started right here. So we had a low, we had a high. That was a spread. Made a big wacko spread right there. So I got it on the hour. So there's 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 to 9 box. The spread would be like right there. Boom. Beginning of the week. Once it came back up to retest this high of the week, I am a seller. So every day I sell the top of the box. Okay. I came in, I sold that 100-point risk. I collected 1,100 points that day. Okay. Now, the next day, I forget all about what just happened. I don't worry about that. I go off the same rift, the low, the high. This is on the hour. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 o'clock, that's the high, and this the low. It come back up there to retest my high on that candle. I simply put the stop loss on top and just let it go. I wake up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. I seen that, and it dropped down to like 11, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. So then the next day, I am a seller. So I see it hit up there. I sell that. Impatient. I hurry up and get 80 points. Then they come back up and take me out. I do not make another trade until the price is outside of this box or come back inside this box. You never make a trade inside the box. You either sell on top of the box or you buy on the bottom of the box. Plain and simple. And when I zoom back a little bit, this is what it looked like if you constantly sold the box from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. And if you got it right at the beginning of the week, you just wait until 5 to 9 o'clock later on that night, the next night, and you sell. And then you wait, mark the box, and see what's happening 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. Okay. Now, our next one will be looking for the price to come back up here and retest the week high. But we still boxing up, and we're going to just simply trade the boxes. Now, if I put it on the 15, this is what it looked like with the boxes shifting. High, low, barely missed the low. Whenever you see that miss the low, you pretty much can buy. Okay. Now, on this day, it was like low, high. It bounced off that line on the 15-minute. That's one candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That was an hour and a half. Shot down and never came back for the rest of the day. You just booked a good 800 points, maybe something like that. Okay. I'm gonna make this real short because I don't want to keep it too long. So this is Monday. Same thing on the 15-minute. Only thing, it just made a wider whoop-de-whoop. And if you would have came in here and seen it hit that, you would have waited for the price to come back up here. All that pin right there, that's a whole lot of losing right there. Somebody lost some money right there, and they still up there waiting. Okay. So I wanted to make it short, quick, and snappy, snippy, dippy how I do it. So I'm gonna upload this up ASAP. I'm finna go run to Normal, Oklahoma, because it's like my second time in Oklahoma this week. So I'm always trading, but not always trading, but you see. Once I had it right Monday, I didn't have to trade Tuesday. Lay back Wednesday. Now I'm ready to finish collecting my paper Thursday. And we actually might just see it come all the way down on the week. And then when you put it on the week, that's the 4 hour. So you see last week was right here. All right. Okay, I ain't gonna make it too long. So I'm finna get up out of here, make me a quick run, and might just come back and show you what happened. But yeah, in a nutshell, that's how you box up. Like I say, big up to Anthony. He really getting this shit catching on. My boy Chuck E up north in Michigan, Muskegon. Y'all really catching on. I see y'all really catching on. Know what I mean? Oh yeah. And Anthony, I told you earlier how I caught that quick 20 points. Now, these are the lot sizes, okay? So it don't take too much. When I say 100-point risk, you getting good at that 100 points. So then whenever you in profit, of $5 at this lot size, you can simply open up one on here and just catch you a quick 50 or 100 points. And a quick 50 or 100 points will be right there. Just that simple. From here to here is 127 points. So keep that in mind. It's a 10-minute video. Hopefully it showed you how to box up. You know what I'm saying? Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification and subscribe button, and keep up. You know what I'm saying? Just keep up. You watch this shit every day, you're gonna make some money. All right? So y'all be good. Holla back.